out their glow-in-the-dark glues, and I love glow-in-the-dark, so this is gonna be really fun. And today's like my challenge gonna be, you guys have to comment down below what's your favorite glue brand. Mine is ELMERS or Crazy Art. I really like Crazy Art's clear glue, but I also really like ELMERS clear glue. I don't know. So you guys comment down below, press the like button, and yeah, let's get straight on into the video. What, yo? Ooh, these are so pretty. Okay guys, so I was just expecting like some like glow-in-the-dark clear glue or just like yellow glow-in-the-dark glue or something, but they actually have like clear glue with glitter, and it looks so cool, guys. Look at how it looks. So we have a yellow one with a bunch of glitter, this really pretty pink one, this blue one, and I think this is the same as this one. So we have two same ones. So I can just say this right off the bat, guys, I like the colors a lot more in this one than the other one. The other ones I really did not like the colors, so I really like these ones. So let's start making the slime. Okay guys, so first of all, you think it's gonna be like their clear glue, or how do you guys think the texture? I think it's gonna be like more like their glitter glue. I feel like it's gonna be more thick, like more on the globby side. So let's see. You guys ready? You guys ready? It's like in between side. It's like kind of globby, but like it's still kind of drooly like the clear one. So here it is, guys. Ooh, that's some nice slime. It's really thick. That's nice. Okay, let's go ahead and activate it now. Cause I don't know how sensitive this is. The last time, apparently it was very, very sensitive, and I like over boraxed it. So I'm just gonna put a little bit this time. Okay, I think we need a little bit more borax. It's so far really thick too. I'm really excited for this one. Okay guys, I'm all done with it, and it is really, really nice. It is super, super thick. I don't think I have kneaded it enough though. I think it still has a bit of strings, but it is super, super thick, and it's really, really nice. Like the color, the glitter, and like the texture of it is really, really nice. I don't see really any changes in it. Like this kind of just feels like the glitter glue kind of. Like the opaque glue was kind of like rough and like kind of stiff, but this one's actually like not really different. So I like it. I think it's pretty good. Okay guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and make all of the slimes really quick, and then I'm gonna do the glow in the dark at the end so that we can see all of them. So yeah, let's just do that really quick. Okay guys, here's the next one. It is the pink one. This one I really, really like. I think it will be my favorite because it is really pretty. But the white one is really cool because you can dye it whatever color you want. So sorry guys, it takes a while to get all the glue out of here, so we're just gonna have to wait here. This glue is too thick. Okay guys, so here it is. ELMERS glitter glues are actually different. Like all the different colors are actually like, some are thicker, some are thinner, and this one actually seems thicker. I don't know, you guys comment down below. We're gonna go ahead and add the borax. Okay guys, I'm all done with it, and this one kind of does seem a little bit thicker. I don't know, maybe I'm just, you know, thinking it, but I don't know, it seems a little bit more clicky and like thicker. You guys comment down below what you think. Okay, well, I really like the pink one. It is my favorite so far. We're gonna go ahead and do the blue one now, so yeah. Okay, now we're gonna do the blue one. This one looks really, really pretty. I love the color of it, but I don't know. I think it could be a little bit lighter. I found a good way on how to get all your glue out. You just continue going like this, and it just pushes it out, so a little tip. Okay, guys, here is the blue one. It kind of seems a little bit thinner than like the pink one, I think. I'm gonna put some borax now. I think that's a good amount. And let's start mixing. Whoa, guys, this one smells like Sharpie. Like I was mixing it, I'm mixing it, guys, and it just like started smelling like Sharpie or acetone. Guys, this one really, really smells like acetone. It is the weirdest thing ever. Okay guys, here is the last one. This one is the blue one. It does seem like more clicky, but I think I did leave it a little bit more sticky just because I want to see. But it does seem a little bit more clicky. I don't know, what do you guys think? And it seems like thicker. I thought it was thinner, but I think it seems thicker. Who knows? You guys comment down below too, your opinion. I tried doing a swirl there, but it completely failed. Let me try again. Ta-da! Okay, the last one I'm gonna do, guys, before we do anything is this white one. I thought that they sent like another white. I think they sent like two of the same one. It looks the same, but I'm gonna go ahead and just, you know, try it just to make sure, because it is weird that they sent me like two of the same one, but whatever, we'll try it still. Maybe it'll like glow different or thicker, thinner, who knows. It kind of does. This one kind of does seem like a little bit more white or green than the other one. Let's go ahead and put the borax. This one seems like it needs a little bit more borax than usual because I put a lot of borax in the beginning. I thought that was going to be enough. I thought it was going to be too much actually, but it hasn't been enough. Okay guys, here is the slime. It looks really, really nice. It actually glows like a lot. I thought it was gonna be kind of like a little bit like not really glowy, not really bright, but it actually is. It's actually really good. So that one is the blue one. And then this one is the white one that I had. So it's green when it glows, I guess. Then we have the other white one that looked the same, and I think it is the same, right guys? You guys comment down below. I think it's the same. It looks like the same, so yeah. And then we have the pink one. The pink one looks really, really cool. It's not as like vibrant as like the other ones, but it still looks really, really cool. And the color of it is just gold. I really like it. You guys comment down below what your favorite one is. And let's go ahead and start like experimenting with these. Let's see if it like does good with like fishbowl or like, you know, foam beads. Alrighty guys, now we're gonna go ahead and put some fishbowl beads and a bunch of like microfoam beads, and yeah. So in this one, I think I'm gonna add, what is it called? The fishbowl beads. Wait, no. Okay, so we're gonna add some foam beads. Ooh, these are microfoam beads, by the way, guys. I love microfoam beads. How do they make them so tiny? What is this, guys? It's like a foam block piece. That's so weird. Ooh, that's so nice, guys. It's so crunchy. Okay, we're gonna squish it in to here now. Do a swirl like that. We're gonna squish it. I think this is enough foam beads, but I feel like I should add a little bit more, so I'm gonna add a little bit more. Okay, I love it, guys. It doesn't really change like the other one, guys. The other opaque one, it like, I put shaving cream in it and it destroyed it, but like, this one it didn't really change much. It actually, it's keeping in the foam beads, and I think it's pretty good. It's still pretty good. So there's nothing really different about it. Now let's try the next one. We're gonna try fishbowl beads. Let's see what happens then. I'm gonna add some yellow foam beads and fishbowl beads, not foam beads, because I just got some and I love them and I just think it'll look cool. But first, I'm gonna go ahead and put some hair gel in my slime because I don't think it's sticky enough. You can use hair gel for clear slime to like soften it, guys, because it is clear. Obviously, how to get some clear hair gel. It is clear and it softens it very quickly. Like, you don't even need a lot. I think I actually put too much. But like, it is a lifesaver, guys. You should definitely get it. I did a video on the best ones. Go check it out.
I think it's because of the...
Okay, I need some more hair gel. So it seems like this slime, guys, is a little bit stiffer because like usually my slime would have like softened a lot by now, but like this one didn't. I think it's soft enough now. What do you guys think? Okay, let's go ahead and put it in the fishbowl beads. Looks really cool, guys. I need a little bit more fishbowl beads. By the way, guys, it probably doesn't look like fishbowl slime right now because of all the bubbles, but it will in a little bit. But anyways, here it is. It doesn't seem like it really did like. There's not really any difference, but I like it a lot. I think it's really nice. It's super crunchy and it looks really pretty. I am excited. I am excited for this when it clears up, guys. You guys comment down below what your favorite one is, and can you guess what time it is? It is slime smoothie time. Okay, let's go. Let's turn the lights off and do a slime smoothie. Okay, guys, so I wanted to see how it would look in the dark, and it looks so cool, like the floam. Like, look at that, guys. And then here is the fishbowl. The fishbowl doesn't look that cool. I like the floam better, and I was hoping that you could see like the yellow foam beads, but you can't. But it still looks really cool, and yeah. Okay, guys, we're gonna go ahead and do the slime smoothie. Okay, so we have our pink one and our blue one, and there is less because I decided to keep some. And we're gonna put just a little bit of this one. I'm gonna add the rest after, but I just don't want it to ruin the slime smoothie, so let's go. Yes. Oh my god, this is so pretty. Oh my god, guys, look at how cool that looks. That looks so cool, guys. I love this. I need to do some more of these. I need more of this in my life, guys. Ooh, it turned out so cool. Okay guys, here is how it turned out. It actually looks really, really cool. I love how it looks. You guys comment down below if you would buy some of these ELMERS new glues. I would definitely buy their glow in the dark glue, but I don't know about their opaque one. I don't really like the colored one, but you guys comment down below your opinions, and that is it guys. Love you so much, and I really hope I see you next time. Bye!